think Luke actually has a fish. Feels secure so far. I'm not really afraid of heights, but it's probably higher than I think it is too.
I think it's exactly as high as I think it is. That's why I'm not going up there.
Unnatural. I feel like
What?
I feel like on that movie, Rescuers Down Under.
Oh, Joanna.
Joanna being soda. That's exactly what I feel like. Up in Z. Feels secure so far. The whole mast is dirty. Should I just clean the whole thing? It would take forever though. Like the whole thing. Yeah. Can't get anything done when I'm swinging around. Sucks that I'm just downwind because I'm getting all the spray and all the dirt in my face. This through. So I'm at the top spreaders now. They're pretty gross. It's a good view from up here. That's good. I would say I'm officially at the top. Well, like a foot away. Good! So we're really relying on his splice that he just did a couple days ago. I think I'm done here. as much as I can do. I'm gonna rinse it off and probably head down. So I blew the hose up to the top of the mast, and all of the water ran down the halyards and then dumped all over me. So I am soaked. And the wind it's not particularly warm. Anyways, I'm on the descent. I need to be lowered. I also need a blanket and a coffee. We need that Uma Rest spray.
Uma Rest.
Rope.
Good morning. We decided to wake up early-ish and go fishing because there's supposed to be sockeye starting to come through, and apparently they're really easy to catch, so we're gonna go see if we can catch anything.
It's good for us who suck at fishing.
Yeah. I counted around the boat right now. There's 26 fishing boats, just what I can see in this fog, and I definitely feel like we don't belong here.
It's kind of a joke to us.
Yeah, it's kind of a fishing derby.
It's really funny actually.
Oh, there's some more.
And they just keep appearing out of the fog, and we're like the least serious about it all. Everyone is so serious.
I don't even have rod holders.
Yeah, I feel bad for the fish, honestly. There's no chance.
No.
Can you see the speck on top of the tip? I found the sea lion to be pretty entertaining, and I didn't even realize that while I was distracted, Luke had actually caught a fish. So I figured I should probably help him.
Oh, I got him twice. Did we win?
I thought maybe you guys would want to see Luke's tackle box and what it consists of.
You're a dick.
You want to show them?
I'm busy.
They can probably see it. Or maybe they can't, it's pretty small. Serious fisherman over here.
Yeah, hey, I have a fish.
That's right.
You broke it.
What happened just now?
I caught a fish and it felt huge, and then my line broke, and he took all my junk with him. My lure, my flasher, my deep six thing.
Oh yeah. Well, I guess we're going in.
Yeah, they totally didn't break it. It didn't untie. I wanted to do more boat projects today, and a friend of mine just rebuilt his winches on his boat, so I thought I'd do the same thing, because why not? That's why. You just take a regular deck wrench and pop that off. And these are looking pretty gross. Slide off there without losing any. And I think that guy's supposed to spin as well, but it's not turning at the moment. Whoa.
Show them the goops.
The goops.
The yuckiness.
All that.
Yeah.
Gross. Old looking grease and water and who knows what. It's all green. Gross.
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 So Luke sacrificed his toothbrush.
And someone's diesel.
And someone else's diesel to clean our winch. That's what you gotta do, I guess.
I even bought all the fancy brand name grease to put on them. I don't usually do that. I usually go and just find something that'll work.
Just a little home hardware run.
Yeah.
Get some WD-40.
Yeah, some weasel piss and away we go. Not this time. So yeah, this is one of the videos that I would love to have found on the YouTube, you know, forever ago, because it's interesting to me anyway. But just what's going on inside these things and what you can do to service them, because I hear all these horror stories about, you know, someone's winch craps out and you can't afford to fix it because it costs more than the boat.
Winches are not cheap at all, and the bigger they are, heavier dutier they are, the more expensive they are. And we've got a couple that are quite big, so good for offshore sailing, which is what we plan to do eventually once we get more experience.
Also good to maintain.
And they're good to maintain because, yeah, you don't want to have to buy them.
Yeah.
Hey all, thanks for watching. We love that you're following along on our adventure. Be sure to stay tuned for next episode when we take a look at our sail inventory and anchor overnight for the first time ever. If you like the video, please do us a kindness and hit that thumbs up. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe.